USS America, US. US Navy Amphibious Assault Ship USS America is the 10th aircraft carrier on the list. Commissioned in October 2014, USS America, the first vessel in the American class, is assigned to be the flagship of an amphibious ready group of the US Navy. With a displacement of 45,000 tons, the vessels of this class that are designed to carry helicopters and Vistol aircrafts can perform the duties of big aircraft carriers when configured with 20 F-35B strike fighters. The design of this 844 feet long ship is based on that of the Wasp class amphibious assault ship USS Making Island and features a hybrid electric propulsion system. Juan Carlos I, Spain. The Spanish Navy's multi-purpose amphibious assault ship aircraft carrier Juan Carlos I was the first vessel with the Navy to use diesel-electric propulsion. Commissioned on 30 September 2010, Juan Carlos I has a displacement of 26,000 tons and a flight deck of 202 meters, featuring a sky jump ramp. This Navy aircraft carrier has dimensions of about 757.3 into 105 into 203 feet and can teach a maximum speed of 21 knots. Named after former Spanish king, the ship can accommodate Harrier F-35 Lightning II, CH-47 Chinook, V-22 Osprey and McDonnell Douglas AV-8B Harrier II, Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning, etc. This makes this particular aircraft carrier highly versatile and a valuable asset for the Spanish Army. Juan Carlos I has the capability to house 900 naval personnel along with equipment and support elements of 1,200 soldiers. Cavor, Italy. The flagship of the Italian Navy, Cavor aircraft carrier has a full load displacement of 30,000 T and features several of defense systems such as short-range defense systems, guns and decoy launchers. With a 232.6 meter into 4.5 meter flight deck, Cavor is capable of accommodating fixed-wing aircraft including AV-8B Harrier and JSF, as well as EH-101, AB-212, NH-90 and SH-3D helicopters. The 244 meter aircraft carrier can also hold up to 24 main battle tanks. Its maximum speed is 16 knots, achieved with help of 6 diesel generators. Charles de Gaulle, France. The aircraft carrier can attain a maximum speed of 27 knots and it has been provided with 2 K-17 reactors for propulsion. Its design has been made keeping in mind the name of battleship to show versatility and stealth. Known for its multi-role, the ship is highly combating friendly with a both assaulting and carrying role. With a displacement of 42,500 tons, the battleship is capable of carrying 40 fixed-wing aircraft and helicopter including Rafale M, E-2C Hawkeye, Super Étendard EC-725 Caracal. It is the first French nuclear power surface ship. Charles de Gaulle is one of the most important flight carriers of France and has been in service since 2001. The ship, which has a total displacement of 36,000 tons with a 780-103 27.8 feet structure, is the only nuclear power carrier in service with the navies other than the US. INS Vikramaditya, India. The Indian Navy's largest warship in service, INS Vikramaditya, also finds its place among the biggest aircraft carriers of the world. With a displacement of 45,400 T, INS Vikramaditya is capable of carrying a maximum of 36 aircraft including 26 Mikoyan MiG-29K multi-role fighters and 10 Kamovka 31 AEW and C and Kamovka 28 ASW helicopters. Lining China. It is the 5th largest aircraft carrier in the world. the sole aircraft carrier in operation with China's People Liberation Army Navy. The ship was rebuilt and commissioned for plan in September 2012. Currently classified as a training ship, Liaoning offers a platform for the Navy to experiment, train, and to be familiar with aircraft carrier operations. Displacing more than 58,000 T, Liaoning is capable of carrying around 50 aircraft, including fixed wing planes and helicopters. Admiral Kuznetsov, Russia. Kuznetsov class aircraft carrier is one of the best aircraft carriers currently in service. Currently serving as the flagship of the Russian Navy, the 305-meter long Admiral Kuznetsov aircraft carrier has a full load displacement of 58,500 T. With its 14,700 meter square flight deck facility, the aircraft carrier is capable of accommodating Su-33, MiG-29K and Su-25 UTG by UBP Stolv fighters and Ka-27 PLO helicopters. Admiral Kuznetsov can also house 1960 ships company, 626 air group and 40 flagstaffs abroad. Queen Elizabeth class UK. The largest aircraft carriers of the UK Royal Navy are the third largest aircraft carriers in the world. The biggest warships ever built for British Navy, the Queen Elizabeth class aircraft carriers are also the second largest non-US Navy warships after Japan Yamato class battleships. The vessel have a displacement of around 65 tons and measures 280 meters in length. Featuring latest technology and automated systems abroad, these vessels only require a crew of 679 for a combat operation. Gerald R. Ford class US. The title of the world's biggest aircraft carriers belongs to the US Navy's Gerald R. Ford class battleships. The first carrier in the class, USS Gerald R. Ford, was commissioned in May 2017 and the four remaining announced vessels of this class are under construction. The Gerald R. Ford, which is expected to be fully operational by 2020, features full load displacement of 100,000 tons and its 78-meter wide flight deck features electromagnetic aircraft launch system as well as advanced arresting gear. USS Gerald R. Ford is capable of carrying over 75 aircraft and accommodating a total of 4,539 personnel. Number 1. Nimitz class USA. The Navy's 10th Nimitz class nuclear power aircraft carriers are the second largest aircraft carriers in the world. They are certainly one of the best of the breeds and flaunt all the features required by such battleships. Named after the World War II US Pacific Fleet Commander Fleet Admiral Chester W. Nimitz, the lead ships of the class, USS Nimitz was launched in May 1975 and 10th and last of the class, USS George H.W. Bush, was commissioned in January 2009. With a full load displacement of 97,000 tons, these 332.8 meter long aircraft carriers have a 4.5-acre flight deck capable of carrying over 60 aircrafts. These ships can accommodate 3,000 to 3,200 ships company, 1,500 air wing and 500 other crew are powered by two nuclear reactors and reach a speed of over 30 knots.